Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Supercell ID verification code not sending. First is to make sure your current game is backed up, then click the connected option in the settings next to where you would swap account. It may require you to finish setting up your your current Supercell ID, do the step it takes you through. For step, click the settings and click log out. It will inform you that it will save your current progress, then click on OK. You are now presented with two options, which are to log in using Supercell ID and play without an account. Make sure at the moment that you have the account you've been trying to access at least added into your Google Play accounts. Now click to play without an account and play the introduction up until you get access to build and select a name. Now click on the settings and log in using Google Play account. Select your country that you have been wanting to play to say from blah blah blah. If it is the account you wanted to click, then click to continue. Click the settings, hit this type of symbol and select the bottom to set up Supercell ID. Follow the step it takes you through and that will lead to actually sending you a verification code. Once your account is set up, you can now swap to NF accounts. Now if that verification code is not sent to you, simply try again, try and try. But first check if your Gmail has enough space because in other cases, their Gmail is full and that's why they can't receive emails. Now if that's not the case, just try until it sends you an verification code. And that's basically it.